Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan ra sepi da ka singam beats aqua na molai moro hakajing dap sans nem jongka. Rengkat ka 3 Olives Restaurant M Crown Hotel Kendai Lat Shillong bat ka Orange Nissan Loan So Po Shillong. One ban thiet ya ka kali Datsun Ready Go bathamai ka bas kem bat bidor.
U MLA NCP na Gambegre constituency u Saleng e Sangma ulayang kensan na basyong bat ula kurami hayeng dorbar thawan ka jila nakadaw ka jings kompitari ka jingkeren jong MLA ka sen Congress u Zenet Sangma kadaw bula pelong ya u Saleng ban yeng kensan ka de hadin bo Zenet ula kentho ya ka jingkeren jong u ka basyakman ha ka bay day bat ka syong sok syong san ha ka baw Zenet ula kentho da ka baong bo Saleng ula kam ba menta ka jila kala syong sok syong san bat kam don shu kono ka jing penthot Henry hakate kapor Saleng layang ban ong ba shim ong satya ba kam don shu ka jing penthot Henry ula penshai dak ba ong ba uklam ong kumta Henry ba ong ba kala khampa ban ya ka ba menchwa kat ba ka jing ikren kadang ya u Saleng ula kurai ka me bat keren diki kintien ki ba ka yeng dorbar kala weng no na ka thop ikren
be it the issue of Them metro area, which has been the issue of, it started like a very small issue. But due to the irresponsive and negligence of the government, it became out of control subsequently. Never before it happened, but then the government has to impose curfew up to long 80 days. It has created a record in the history of state of Meghalaya as far as imposition of curfew is concerned. Till now, after even 2.5 years, this issue is lingering and no solution has been found. Be it petrol bomb, hurling of petrol bomb in different places.
Kindly do not divert what I have said. I have said the situation is bad.
Okay, let him carry on.
So
please
do not change the rules.
Yes.
I said the situation is better.
Sir,
I didn't say
Mr.
it's
Deputy
perfect.
Speaker, sir, the very essence of debate, we should always understand the very essence of debate. If somebody has
Okay, you continue.
mentioned which is not correct, I will have to correct it.
You continue.
This is
your
my
speech.
privilege as the member of this August House.
No.
Let me tell you, Mr. Speaker, sir, I have the privilege also. Not only him. What the hell you are talking about?
See,
I have the privilege also.
Please.
Hey, man, I have the privilege also.
Please,
Don't talk like that.
Please.
I said better situation.
Saleng Sangma, please sit down.
we can see the record, sir. He has mentioned that we are living
Come
peacefully.
there. One
We are
second.
living
Have you
peacefully.
been a victim? Bullshit.
Please, sir. Please,
His unparliamentary words should be.
please, Michelle.
Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir.
Member, please sit down. No, please sit down.
Don't talk to me, talk to the
Please
chair.
Please sit down.
Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir.
Please sit down.
I'm not talking to you.
Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir. I have been here since 1993. I have not witnessed this kind of scene in this August House. I am deeply hurt. I'm sure people who are watching this proceeding will also be definitely disturbed. This is not something which we have taken pride of in as far as the proceeding and debates in this August House is concerned. We have taken pride in the legacy. Therefore, leave our anger. We are not here to demonstrate how strong we are, how muscular we are, but how concerned we are. I think we should. Therefore, I would like to appeal through you, Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, to all the honorable members of this August House. Let us preserve the dignity and decorum of this August House that our predecessors have demonstrated and preserved.
Therefore,
I'd like to thank the
I would
honorable
like to-
opposition leader for apprising me, and I love to follow the decorum and the dignity of the member.
I would like to request all the honorable members to maintain the decorum of the House. During the one member speaking, other members should not interrupt. Please be calm and please be patient also. So we are already matured and we are public representative, so we should not.
Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir.
So-
Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir. Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir. No. Mr. Deputy Speaker, I would like to submit. Humbly, I would like to submit, sir. That particular moment where I think the unparliamentary words was altered, please, sir, kindly expunge it. Please expunge it, sir. Let us put the record straight. And I would humbly request through you, sir, that let us maintain, as rightly mentioned by the Honorable LO, let us maintain the decorum and the dignity of the House. Yeah.
So,
Mr. Speaker, sir, why I have brought this point of order is that I said better. I don't want to divert that particular thing, and because I was a victim. My house was blasted. My children were there. By God's grace, my children were not killed. I was not killed. I had been targeted. I
Okay, what
had been
you
put a
have said.
bomb. Even my people were
that
killed.
is enough.
No,
So
Mr.
please
Speaker, sir, that's why I said it. I was not one, I don't want it to be a personal, but I said that this time, at least people were freer. I didn't say better. Definitely there is a lot of crime happening. That needed to be, I said a nip in the bud, that needed to be corrected. 100%. I don't support the government for not clearing the militants
Sure.
or not clearing the thing.
So what you
I said
have
that it's
said is
better
enough.
than last
Please-
time.
Please sit down.
Anyway, thank you. And anyway, thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir.